Appreciate you being with us all weekend long. We leave you with the best sights and sounds from this past weekend in Evanston.
This could be it. Ohio State has done it and upsets the #2 seed Nebraska Cornhuskers. Are you kidding me? Tyler Walker, back-to-back home runs. And sometimes when you're feeling it, you're feeling it. Minnesota is off to the tournament final, and Sarah Bolton couldn't be more happy.
Outstanding job, great teamwork, and good softball there.
Oh, Romero showing tremendous range.
Sometimes you look at her and you're shocked that she can do what she can do.
That's gonna do it. Caitlin Blanchard, the hero once again. Michigan off to the championship. Up and at 'em, they're at the fence.
What a play that was.
You are not gonna get a bigger defensive play than that. That's it, Minnesota wins the Big Ten championship for the first time since '99.